Hey everyone, it's Clifton Saunders here with Amcap Mortgage and the Senior Loan Officer with the Clifton Saunders team. I'd like to thank you again for watching my video blog. And today we're going to talk about the tips that you need to minimize the mortgage process. We know it can be stressful, and if you heed these warnings, it'll go a lot smoother for you. We'll talk to you soon. All right, the first step in minimizing your stresses, I've talked about this previously in the past, is number one, know your budget. You know, when you're out there shopping for a house, you're going to have a finite amount of houses to look at. And a lot of times people want to shop above their means, and that's going to cause undue stress now plus in the future. So first of all, go over your budget. Know what the maximum monthly payment you can qualify for, not necessarily the max housing, because sometimes that can vary from area to area. So once you know what your max monthly payment that you're comfortable with and what you're approved for, you can actually give that to your realtor, and then you can shop in confidence that the houses that you're looking at fit within that range. All right, number two, plan for the unexpected. A lot of times people are out there in the mortgage shopping world looking for that perfect home, and things come up that just may not have been expected. Sometimes that house might be in a flood zone, or insurance might be a little bit more, or taxes are slightly off. There's lots of things that can go wrong or out there in a mortgage, and that's why you should work with a professional realtor and a professional lender to help you navigate those rocky waters. So keep in mind, things always pop up, but when you're working with a professional, they're going to be able to explain it and make sure that everything goes smoothly. All right, number three, I probably should have made this number one actually. It's learn the process. Get with your realtor and ask them every step by step of from the time you get pre-qualified all the way through the closing on the real estate aspect, from getting in the contract, inspections, appraisals, and how the closing is going to be done. And also get with your lender. Understand their entire process on how them and their team works, how they process the loan, what's expected of you, and what's expected of them, and what's expected of the realtor. I tell everybody, with great communication, that stress goes way down. So definitely know the process, know your team members, and guess what? The file is going to go smoothly when everybody's in harmony. All right, number four, shopping around for a mortgage. You know, if you're with me, you probably don't need to shop around because you know I'm going to take good care of you. But if you're with another lender, you need to know these things about your lender. You need to know how long they've been in business, how well do they do their transactions. We suggest that you do shop around, check out, Google your lender, and you can get to see how they work, how they process, how they treat their past customers. Because it's not always about the terms of the loan, it's about making sure that it gets done and that you're satisfied with the end result. And so definitely shopping around for your mortgage is important, and just make sure that you know that you work with someone that you trust or that you've been referred to make sure that everything goes smoothly. All right, number five, realize that mortgages and real estate is like a roller coaster. There's going to be your high moments and your low moments. You're going to have fun, you're going to be a little scared, and in the end, you might be feeling a little sick, but guess what? It's all worth it, and when you get off that ride, you're going to know that, hey, you had a good time, you own your house, and everything that you did was worth it. So don't worry about the ups and downs. It's just part of the process. Know it, understand it, and you're going to go through this through the process without any issues. So thanks again for coming out to my mortgage blog, and we definitely look forward to helping you or your friends and family members buy homes in the future. If you think that this video can be used or help any of your friends or family members, don't forget to share, subscribe, and we definitely look forward to speaking with you. As always, me and my team are here to reach out to you. If you need us, you can reach us at 281-930-7775. Have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.